Guangdong Wolkon Intelligent Technology Co., Limited. We are committed to providing customers with unmanned workshops and one-stop solutions, make intelligent manufacture easier. We have a professional team, full of passion and innovative spirit, focused on research and development in intelligent technology field. Our R&D team are continuing find new technology, based on customer requires, design the unmanned workshop solutions, to increase production efficiency and quality. Our solution cover everything from product manufacture, equipment research design, system layout, to packaging fully automatically. Make sure everything works together efficiently with customers. We focus on communicate and cooperate with customers, deeply knowing customer needs. Provide customized solutions. Help customers achieve digital transformation and intelligent upgrading. With many years of technical experience and quality service, we have won the trust and praise of many customers. Become a leader in the field of intelligent manufacturing. Guangdong Wolkon Intelligent Technology Co., Limited, with the concept of professional innovation and pragmatic win-win to make greater value for customers. Make smart manufacturing within reach. We are dedicated to the design of unmanned workshops, one-stop solution. It has been successfully applied to many industries such as food, electronics, medical, daily necessities, labor insurance, beauty salon, and so on. Help customers improve production efficiency and reduce costs, update competitiveness. We will continue to increase investment in research and development in the future, launch more innovative intelligent technology products and solutions to promote the intelligent development of Chinese manufacturing industry. Try our best.